Well, it's beginning to look a bit like Christmas now. At Kingsley, we've got the big tree outside the front and this wonderful tree here in reception. Looking forward to the next 2 weeks where we have lots of festivities coming up. I'd just like to say a very big thank you and well done to all the students that were involved in Kingsley Sings Choir this week, who performed in assembly. And also congratulations, well done to Evie, who performed in the On the Bridge concert this week at lunchtime. The Year 10 drama students enjoyed their workshop with very highly acclaimed playwright Mark Wheeler, a real titan of British theatre, one of the most publicly and most popularly performed playwrights currently on the circuit. And he even invited the students to perform an extract from one of his plays, which he's now put on his YouTube channel. So head for that and take a look at their work there. We welcome back our geographers, our Year 12 geographers, who have been in London this week on a field trip along with the art students. And then the geographers that is, headed straight down to Plymouth University, where they then attended the Changing Places lecture this week as well. In food this week and hospitality, Trixie has competed in the Young Chef of the Year competition at Petroc. Congratulations and well done to her. And then in gymnastics this week, we've seen Tiger in action, winning team silver and an individual bronze medal, and also Maddie, who got a team gold and an individual silver medal. In netball, our under-16 girls and under-14s both won their games this week, and the under-15s came very close second in their fixture. In rugby, the under-13 team won the Stover Cup against a great number of sides and schools across Devon. And sadly, our under-15 rugby team, they lost their semi-final against Braunton, but we wish Braunton all the very best now as they head off to the under-15 final. And then finally, on sport, we wish Elise, Elvis and Harrison all the very best for this weekend. They're competing in the swimming national finals at the Olympic Pool in London. Good luck to them. And back onto the Christmas theme, we look forward to seeing as many of you as possible on Saturday at the Christmas fair in the sports hall, where it hopes to be a fantastic occasion full of lots of festivities. Bring along your pocket money so that you can spend some money and on stalls and buy all those Christmas presents that you're going to need in a few weeks' time. Take care, look forward to seeing you at the fair and speak to you again soon. Bye-bye.